Using the AlterG has been a really key tool in my battle with Parkinson's.
Physical therapist recommended the AlterG as a solution to all of the physical challenges that I deal with.
When I was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, the neurologist said the thing I could do to help myself was to work on balance. When I'm on the AlterG, I feel really safe and supported, and I don't have to worry about balance. I can look ahead and just move, and it just feels normal. Thanks to the AlterG, I can walk to theaters, I can walk to restaurants by using that rhythm that the AlterG is sort of planted in my brain.
I have a weight issue, and one of the most valuable things for me to do in controlling my weight is to be able to move. I never ran in my entire life until I got into the AlterG. And that feeling of flying on your feet is just astounding. For the first time in my life, I understood how people get addicted to running. I've been able to strengthen my knees, I've been able to strengthen my hips, and it's allowed me to have the confidence that I can climb mountains. And one of the things that I wanted to do was see the mountain gorillas in Rwanda. And I don't think 3 years ago I could have done it. Honestly, the AlterG has completely changed my life in so many ways for the better. You need to experience it at least once.